Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Kum shibanta ban ajing penchai bat ban aji kai haka Iect ka Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology joka Sarkar India kelawan ra ya ka project link ba ka National Institute of Electronics and Information and Technology Shillong haka bagi samla ki batang Plie ya ka kerdan undergraduates but graduates ki samla Plie bala yo diploma na ki polytechnic kin sayo ji kai haka solar technology, computer applications, computerized accounting, cyber security, AR VR, blockchain, IoT, machine learning, AL, drone piloting technology, multimedia bat kiwi-kiwi. Ban penurlong igani ka thong ka Morning Star College ka badana ka Shillong nong thma Shillong kelas sedang iga jing pendrung kerteng ha kitnat Plie computer application accounting and publishing course bat haka solar power installation operation and maintenance. La Plie kini ki jing aji kai haka khat sau tere urisa arajar afuar haka balasa hilang doktra jongka college uba SB korba ubolong ru rang ba dong jongka Shillong laujin rio ka principal jongka college ka kong B1 ramp kong Suzy Cream ki dekat jongka governing body jongka college ki nong mikmat nak NIELIT Shillong ki bakan top yo S Borgohan uba Bimal D swear bat ka kong Sibalin swear.
Take this opportunity to be here. I'm very happy to see that I would like to see these great people from Nielit that's coming today. I will say this, they are great people to me because Sir Kaboy and me, we have talked long time about this computer. We just start a little while which you don't know. Especially for me, it is just a layman on this line. When this computer comes, where I don't know from my office, I take my computer, I pick up, which I don't know it gets spoiled, the computer. The first time they introduced Shillong. This time of technology, you have to take this opportunity, not like to say that you didn't get job. I could see myself when these people come and approach me. I think two group of people they come and approach me, and I have been in meeting some places there. Here in this locality, I said there we need 3,000 employees and 3,000 staff. Our work, I would like to tell you so that everyone you should know about it. Monster Abib set out on 10th of August 1993. Why it came so late to come August? Because we are waiting for other friends. I'm really thankful you, sir, one of you, and your mom too. So we welcome you again, and I wish that your speech will encourage the students. I just hope that students now onward will be different. We try so much with the vocational course like food processing, electric, half wiring and all, and even we try to with the computer. But now it come up with two things like in our mind, in our place and idea and our objective, that these are two things to really become a reality. I just dream all time how it could bring up to reality. So this is first time that we come up today. Hopefully we can move forward in more better way. Hopefully the students here that you all are gathered today, that when you take this opportunity that we come out and you be serious. You have to take very seriously. Not that you just thinking in the other way, like old time like before, just like a simple have a general education. This will not go out, as principal has said. Even I have come to learn even from quite a few months back, even if the central government was really interested that the one of subjects should be included in the course, in your course of studies.
So today right now we are thinking about launching this computer applications accounting and publishing course, along with solar panel repair and maintenance. So these are just two courses from the Nielit's basket of courses that we have. And we have felt that these courses would be at the moment, most appropriate for students of this college. And like Madam Principal has said, I also recall our meeting with Honorable Secretary, Sri Kurba and Madam Principal, our first meeting, where we found that the management of this college is very encouraging, and we have realized that we can partner with this college for the betterments of the students. And the irony is that we are located very near to your college. If you know where our institution is located, it is located just behind the Bethany Hospital. In fact, we share a common boundary wall with the hospital. And as I said, these are just two of the courses that we have. After passing out, you can even think of enrolling in many other programs that we are offering. Okay. So this is something, these are some government schemes that you should avail of, you should take advantage of, since we are anyway located nearby. Okay. So right now the course that we are offering today, that the launching of this course is Computer Applications, Accounting and Publishing. So this course has essentially got 4 modules. One is the computer applications, MS Office, MS Word, Excel, Internet, these normal computer knowledge, the basic computer knowledge. Along with it, the desktop publishing, Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, PageMaker, CorelDRAW. So that is one part. The other part of the course is related to accounting. Accounting along with Tally. Okay. Now here I would like to mention that you should not think that accounting is just for accounts people. As we pass out, as we progress in life, we find out that, apart from whatever we study, we also need to venture into other fields.
In bringing us all together this morning, of course, the Secretary and Founder of this college, for all the hard work that we have seen a very good conversion this morning, and then to all the students who it seemed who participate actively this morning, to take advantage of what I said just earlier of this wonderful conversion between the Nielit and this institution, this college. The inauguration of this program today concerning the computer application, and then of course the solar, or what do you call this, non-conventional energy, is a good step in meeting, especially the non-conventional energy, in challenging the conventional energy, which today world we are facing a depletion. But the solar energy that to be inaugurated today will serve the purpose in the event that the conventional energy is depleted. So I would not speak much, but I would request all the students, and especially all the faculty members, to take advantage of this wonderful conversion that has been endowed, the computer application, and then of course the solar, or what do you call this, non-conventional energy, is a good step in meeting, especially the non-conventional energy in challenging the conventional energy, which today world we are facing a depletion. But the solar energy that to be integrated today will serve the purpose in the event that the conventional energy is depleted. So I would not speak much, but I would request all the students and especially all the faculty members to take advantage of this wonderful convention that has been endowed, granted by the central government with this institution, so that others may follow suit and we could combat in the near future the energy crisis. Another thing, computer application that will be integrated and perhaps installed today may bring a new change, as what Sir Bolkohain has stated, to create also a kind of employment. I remember till today, during our days when we were still working in the department, we don't approach or we are not access so much to computer. But nowadays, everything is there in our fingertips through computer. So this is a good opportunity, take advantage, and a meaningful advantage should be taken so that nothing is wasted, and perhaps with your active participation, especially the student, perhaps more computers and more solar energy will be installed in this college.